Capital One credit cards, climbing the rewards ladder, hook. Ever feel lost in the world of credit cards? Annual fees, reward points, travel miles, it's enough to make your head spin. Especially with a bank like Capital One, offering a whole buffet of card options. But what if you crave the best, the top-tier card with the most bang for your buck? Buckle up, because today we're tackling the question, what is the highest level Capital One card? Now, Capital One doesn't exactly have a straightforward hierarchy like bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Their cards cater to different spending habits and lifestyles. But there's definitely a card that sits at the pinnacle when it comes to rewards and benefits. So, let's dissect the contenders. Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. This card throws down the gauntlet for travel enthusiasts. Imagine earning a whopping 2 miles per dollar spent on everything, not just travel categories. Plus, you get access to luxurious airport lounges and travel credits to offset the annual fee. It's a premium card for premium travel experiences. Capital One Savor Rewards Credit Card, calling all foodies. This card caters to your inner gourmand, offering a tasty 3% cash back on dining and entertainment. Plus, you get Capital One Entertainment Access, which unlocks exclusive deals on concerts, shows, and sporting events. Foodies on the go can truly maximize their rewards. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card is a solid all-rounder, offering a straightforward 1.5% cash back on every purchase. No bells and whistles, just good old-fashioned cash back on everything you buy. Simple and effective for everyday spenders. Evaluation. Now, if you're strictly looking for the most bang for your buck in terms of rewards, the Venture X takes the crown. Earning double miles on everything is hard to beat, especially for frequent travelers. However, that hefty annual fee might not be for everyone. The Savor card is a strong contender for foodies and entertainment lovers, but its rewards are limited to specific categories. The Quicksilver card might not have the highest rewards rate, but its simplicity and lack of annual fees make it a great option for those who just want straightforward cash back. So, the highest level Capital One card depends on your spending habits. Travel warriors will love the Venture X, foodies will savor the Savor, and everyday spenders can't go wrong with the Quicksilver. Ultimately, the best Capital One card is the one that best fits your lifestyle. What are your credit card goals? Do you crave travel miles or cash back? Let us know in the comments below what your ideal Capital One card would look like. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy, ***. Python libraries for k-means clustering. Now, that credit card analysis might have sparked your interest in data exploration. If you're curious about performing k-means clustering analysis on a dataset, Python offers some fantastic libraries. Scikit-learn, this powerhouse library provides all the tools you need for machine learning tasks, including k-means clustering. NumPy, the foundation for many scientific computing tasks in Python. NumPy handles arrays and matrices efficiently, which are crucial for k-means clustering. Pandas, if your data is stored in a tabular format, like a CSV file, Pandas makes data manipulation and analysis a breeze. These libraries will equip you to conquer k-means clustering and unlock insights hidden within your data.